If you're watching all the YouTube videos showing you how to source on Amazon and wondering why it's not working for you, it might not be because you're not working hard enough, it might be that you're using the wrong tools. So if you're serious about leveling up in the game, don't just work harder, tool up and work smarter. Sourcing profitable products isn't as easy as most YouTube videos make it sound. You need to find low-cost items to resell at a markup, and this is really a volume game. The more products you evaluate, the better your chances of finding winners is. Anything that speeds up your analysis gives you a real edge. That is why a profit calculator is one of the most important tools you can add to your toolkit. Not only does it give you accurate product data, but it also lets you run your numbers faster and with greater confidence. Now, for me, I would highly recommend Seller Amp, also known as SAS. It's a simple browser overlay that delivers real-time profitability metrics, flags potential risks, and highlights deals and deal breakers all in seconds. I use it constantly, and I cannot recommend it enough. Now, the fundamental level is by using a tool like this, you are just going to be analyzing quicker the more deals you can find. Let me move on to my second tool. You're doing your product research, you're running the analysis, and you think you found a winner. But here's the catch. You see something selling for, say, $100 right now, and you assume that's normal. In reality, the typical selling price is more like $30. And so now you're about to buy a product for about $30, thinking you're going to triple your money, when in fact, after Amazon fees and other costs, you're going to be losing money. How do you avoid that mistake? By looking back in time, by understanding where that product has been and the normal selling prices. And that is where my second must-have tool comes in. This is called Keeper. It gives you historical data on a product prices, sales velocity, competition, and even Amazon's own activity on any given listing. Now, this is especially valuable during high volume periods such as Q4, when pricing and demand shift dramatically. Tools like SellerAmp include Keeper style graphs, but I personally prefer using Keeper directly. Now, one standout feature that I completely love is you can track the stock levels of other sellers' stock over time, helping you to see how quickly items are selling other competitors who look just like you. Now, Keeper has been around for years, and it's a real game changer in making smarter, data-backed driven decisions, and I wouldn't be sourcing without it. Let's move on to my third tool. At the end of the day, if I can buy the same product cheaper than you, I'm going to find more profitable deals, and my deals are going to make me more money. That's why we do it with discount tools, because these tools are going to help you to find not only better deals, but also better prices on your existing deals. Now, there are browser extensions available right now for free that are called things like Coupon or Honey that automatically alert you to available discount codes, coupons, or even cheaper alternative suppliers as soon as you land on a site or even a product. These tools give you a competitive edge by helping you reduce, decreasing your buy cost and boosting your profit margins. But many of these tools, the way they make money is they get paid actually by the brands or the websites they're giving you the discount code on. And those brands or those websites basically pay these tools not to show certain coupon codes, generally the best ones, but maybe only to show certain other ones. If you found a great coupon code, it might not be in that tool and you might have to apply it blindly. If you do your own research, you will discover that some working codes will never be shown by Honey or Cooper. Even if you submit them to Honey or Cooper, they will not show them to others, on the app. Just be mindful of that. Bottom line, finding a profitable deal is great. Finding one that you can stack with a discount code on top to get an even better deal, well, that is next level sourcing. Sourcing and finding products becomes a lot easier once you've got the right tools in place. But in our business, the reason why we're able to consistently spend between $30,000 and $40,000 per week isn't because we're constantly finding brand new products. It's because we're doubling down on the ones that are already working. Now, the real question you should be asking is, what is working and how can I do more of it? Because no one likes to work hard, they want to work smart. Now, to answer that question, you're going to need visibility into your profitability, and not just at a broad level, but a product by product visibility. Now, that is where my next tool comes in, Seller Toolkit. This is a powerful profit and loss software that shows you exactly how you're performing overall, but also which products are performing well and how much profit you're making. This is where you can figure out where the best opportunities lie. Now, with that insight, you can reorder proven winners, go and find more winners from the same supplier or maybe the same brand, and spot underperformers and stop wasting your time on maybe those brands or those suppliers, and obviously stop ordering them. Now, it's this kind of data-driven sourcing is how you scale efficiently. Instead of constantly reinventing the wheel, chasing new leads, you can build off what's already working. And that is how you grow a stable, profitable Amazon business. You can do everything right, source smart, buy cheap, invest your cash, and only to watch your profits disappear because your pricing wasn't managed properly when it came to sell the product. Maybe your price crashes with everyone else or causes the price to crash, and maybe your inventory just sits there or doesn't sell at all. This is where the fifth tool comes in, and it's a repricer. It is essential, and the one I use and the one I personally recommend is Seller Snap. It's incredibly powerful, it's simple to use, and it runs on AI to make intelligent pricing-based decisions, and here's why I love it. We have about 400 SKUs, that's 400 products on our Amazon store at any one time, and I can reprice, manage all of that in just 1 hour per week using 2 custom rules. That's it. Super simple. Not only that, it's also a smart repricer. It's the only repricer I've ever tested in my 8 years that can actually raise prices whilst keeping the buy box. This means that if the buy box right now is $100, it might be able to raise the price to 102, 105. I've even seen it go up to 200 sometimes. This means you're going to be making more money per sale without sacrificing volume. That is what we want to do, making more cash. Now, bottom line, if you're not using a solid repricer, you are leaving money on the table, or worse, losing it. Now, Seller Snap is a game changer for me, and they offer a free 15-day trial, and I'll drop a link down below. You can access that. Now, I've gone through a number of tools right now, and I just want to show you the costs and what you can understand from them. So, SellerAmp is the tool that we use for sourcing, and right now it costs about $20 per month, and you can access that. And again, I'll drop a link to all of these in the description down below. Now, the next one is Keeper. This is going to show you the historical prices, the stocks, even the competitor stock, and again, that's about $20 per month. Cooper, Honey, they're going to be your Chrome extensions, your discount codes. They're free. Fantastic. But remember, they won't always give you the best possible coupons. You've got to find them yourself. Now, the fourth one is going to be Seller Toolkit. This is your profit and loss software that's going to track your performance of your products. It's about $40 per month, and I really like it as well. But we use that every single day. And again, you can see a link to that in the description down below. Now, Seller Snap is our AI-driven repricer, which really maximizes profits. And this product isn't cheap. It does cost about $250 per month. You can access that trial and see it for you. Now, if you want to do something cheaper, you could try Be Cool. They do about $100. But also as well, I know that SDK has a repricer built in as well, which you can use as well. Now, this is the exact tool stack that we use in my own Amazon business, and it's widely adopted by other successful sellers. Now, what is my advice to you? Start with what you can afford. But as you scale, start buying more and more of these tools, investing in your business, which is going to help you just exponentially grow and find better deals, make better decisions, and sell better. And you are going to make more profit by doing that. You've seen how we're using our top sourcing tools in action and how each one plays a unique role in our Amazon sourcing workflow. Now, whether you're getting started or scaling hard, using the right mix of tools doesn't just save time, it protects your margins and your account. Of course, tools are only just part of the puzzle. And you might be wondering, where do I actually find profitable products? So I'm going to drop 2 videos around here, best websites for the UK and the best websites for the USA, based on our own Amazon business and our lead service that we provided. And it's going to help you to understand where to focus your sourcing attention. Check those out. Now, if you found this helpful, give me a big thumbs up. And hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hey, thanks for watching. And I'll catch you in the next one.